everyone! Welcome! Have you ever been excited to start your React project with Vite, only to hit that frustrating "this localhost page can't be found" error in your browser? It's a common issue, and it can definitely halt your progress. Today, we're going to walk through some simple, step-by-step solutions to get your Vite React app up and running smoothly. We'll cover everything from basic checks to more specific project configurations, so let's dive in and fix this together. First, let's start with some basic checks. The most common reason for this error is that your development server isn't actually running. So, open your terminal and make sure you've navigated into your project's root directory. Then, run npm run dev or yarn dev. Look for messages like vitevx.x.x ready in XMS and a URL, usually http://localhost 5173. If you don't see this, your server isn't active. Next, double-check the URL you're typing into your browser. It should match exactly what your terminal outputs, commonly http://localhost 5173. Sometimes, a simple typo is the culprit. Also, try a hard refresh in your browser by pressing Ctrl+Shift+R, Windows/Linux, or CMD+Shift+R, macOS, or even open an incognito or private browsing window. Browser cache can sometimes be misleading. Moving on to project setup and dependencies. A frequent fix involves cleaning your node_modules folder and package lock.json, or yarn.lock, file. These can sometimes become corrupted or outdated. Delete both the node_modules folder and the lock file, then run npm install or yarn again. This will reinstall all your project dependencies cleanly. Next, check your vite.config.js file. Ensure it exists in your project root. For a React project, it should typically include plugins, React, in its configuration. If this line is missing or incorrect, Vite might not know how to handle your React components. Also, peek at your package.json file. Under the script section, confirm that your dev script is correctly set up, usually Vite or Vite open. Now, let's consider port conflicts and firewall issues. If another application is already using port 5173, Vite won't be able to start on it, leading to a page not found error because no server is listening. You can try changing the port in your vite.config.js by adding server, port, 3000, or any other free port. If you suspect a port conflict, you can use netstat-ono, Finster 5173 on Windows or Lsofite 5173 on macOS/Linux to see if another process is occupying that port. While less common for localhost, ensure your operating system's firewall isn't blocking access to your local development server. Temporarily disabling it, if safe to do so, can help diagnose this. Finally, let's look at Node.js and Vite versions. Make sure you're using a supported version of Node.js. You can check your version by typing node v in your terminal. Very old or very new, unsupported Node.js versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Similarly, if you've recently updated Vite or other packages, a conflict might have arisen. Sometimes, rolling back to a previous stable version of Vite or updating to the latest stable version can resolve obscure issues. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you get your Vite React application running without a hitch. It's always a great feeling to see that hello world on your browser. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or any other solutions you found, share it with others who might be struggling, and consider subscribing for more helpful content. See you next time.